Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of logging into your Apple Card using your iPhone. Follow these simple step-by-step instructions to access your card information quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Begin by locating and opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. The Wallet app is typically pre-installed on all iPhones, so you should find it on your home screen. Step 2. Find your Apple Card. Once the Wallet app is open, scroll through your cards until you find your Apple Card. If you have multiple cards saved, look for the one that displays the iconic Apple Card design. Step 3. Tap on your Apple Card. Tap on your Apple Card to select it. This will take you to the details page where you can see your balance, recent transactions, and other card-related information. Step 4. Access Apple Card information. To log in to your Apple Card account and view more detailed information, tap on the More option at the bottom right corner of the Apple Card page. This will give you access to options such as statements, payments, and transaction history. Step 5. Sign in with your Apple ID, if required. In some cases, you may be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. If you are, enter your Apple ID email and password, then tap Sign In. Ensure you have a strong internet connection to successfully log in. Step 6. Navigate through your account. Once logged in, you'll be able to navigate through various sections, including recent payments, total balance, and more. Familiarize yourself with these features to manage your Apple Card efficiently. Step 7. Log out. Optional. If you are using a shared device or simply want to log out, tap on your account name at the top left corner and select Log Out. This will ensure your information remains secure. Thank you for following these steps to log into your Apple Card on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.